The Mahabharata, an ancient Indian epic about the rivalry between two royal families, the Pandavas and the Kauravas. It explores themes of duty, morality, and justice, culminating in the epic Kurukshetra War and the Bhagavad Gita's philosophical teachings. The Mahabharata explores themes like war, duty, love, betrayal, and spiritual growth. Readers connect with its moral dilemmas such as Arjuna's conflict in the Kurukshetra War and debate Krishna's role as divine guide. While some find the epic overwhelming, others are captivated by its intricate narratives and insights into human nature. Mahabharata, written by Vyasa, is a timeless epic that explores into themes like morality, dharma or duty, karma or actions and consequences, and moksha or liberation. Beyond the battle between the Pandavas and Kauravas, it explores deeper lessons about ethics and life's purpose. The Mahabharata remains meaningful today for its exploration of good versus evil and power.